When your reseller sends you goodies, what do? You eat them. Hi Beanbeauties, Dee Bean here. How you doing today? I have a special Dooney bag. I'm unboxing a Dooney today. It's an older Dooney. I got this from CloverleafBags. So this was a recent purchase. I purchased this. It was mailed July the 16th, 2024. So yes, see? This one is a recent purchase. I got this from Robin. I'll put her channel information up here, and then I'll link in the description box. So I got this Robin Cloverleaf bag. This is how she boxed it. Bubble wrap. Oh, and she put it in a dust bag for me. Thank you, Robin. That was very nice of you. Handle. Another handle. Look at that. Now, it is a little heavy. When you're looking at this, that's the front, the side, the back, the other side. Can you guess what brand it is? It is Dooney, a Dooney and Bourke. And it's a cargo bag. And I got it because it looked like the Coach cargo bag. And when I saw it, I was like, I gotta have it. I gotta have it because you know that's the whole rage right now. Robin says it's a Dooney brown satchel. Dooney, she just says Dooney brown satchel, so she didn't have the name of it. I only paid $55 for this, and the shipping was $10, $65. So I was like, wow. And to me, it's in a really pretty condition. I have it's really soft. I think she conditions them and everything before she has them on her channel. Now, there is, I'll show you if I can remember where it's at. I think it's on the inside. She's so sweet. Okay, see, she's very honest. All the resellers that I use, that I put on here and have recommended, they always do call outs on their bags. Some over call out. Some they take into consideration how much they're charging because of the issues that has and everything. So I know Robin told me this may not be a bag. She sent me a site after I purchased it. She said, this may not be a bag you want to, may not be the bag for you because it has some owies, because it, you know, it has. And I said, oh, I know that there's something wrong with it. Your price reflected it. Not only the price reflected, you told us in the video. So she wanted to make sure that I knew and I was aware of it. But it's like, this is like in super excellent condition. And I said, oh no, absolutely. And I said, that's part of the thing that I want to, you know, everybody know is that, she's always sending extra goodies in here. Did I purchase something extra for her too? I'm not sure. This says handmade bags. No, I'm sure it's a goodie. It's something she gave. Yeah. Oh, she put tissues. Yes, I need tissues. I need tissues. Oh, and there's some York's peppermint patty and two of the Werther's. Love it. And I like this too. It's nice and soft. I love the pouches and things, especially like when they're material, and it just makes it easier to pack when you're packing on vacation, or you know, it's easier to squish it into your bag. This bag is actually kind of heavy. I don't remember if she said anything. You probably did, but I didn't care because I was like, it looks like a cargo bag. So it has a pocket here, which Dooney's pockets, when they do these pockets, like I bought a backpack. It was a backpack of the month, a Dooney bag of the month, and it was kind of useless. So I'm like, what? But, oh, you know what? I probably can put sunglasses in there. Maybe that's what one of my viewers said, that these small pockets were for sunglasses. So, but I don't have it in here to test. But the tissue, voila, the tissues fit, and I always need tissues. And I probably would put put something else over here. Handles here for crossbody. And there's something else in here. Oh, is this is like a rosemary or right? Oh, it's a sachet to make it smell good. Looks like lavender, maybe lavender. Robin, what is it? Tell me in the description box. Is it lavender? It smells good, whatever it is. So here's the crossbody or shoulder. Oh, okay, this is shoulder. I forget, you know, I forget what I buy. You know, part of that's because you buy too much. Because I buy too much. So here, and I probably put it on. So here's a shoulder bag. Oh, actually, that's a really good shoulder length. Let's see. Can I make it shorter? Can I make it any longer? I can make it shorter. Let's see how it looks. Which is not bad. This definitely reminds me of my mom's bags and back in the day. Back in the day. I would like to make it a little bit shorter because let's see how it looks. Okay. So here it is, a little bit shorter. Oh, that feels a little bit better. I probably could go up one more, but that's a this is probably most likely I would use this top handle. And this is magnetized. Look at that. Very nice. She stuffed them just for some stuffing. And the inside of this looks like, you know, looks like it's very clean. Usually outside pockets like this usually come clean because people don't use them as much. So in here, the liner is dirty. I want to say that there's an ink mark. It comes with a key keeper. Where is it? Very short key keeper. Very short key keeper. Here is the zipper pocket back here. It has the small baby cell phone in here that where you can put tissues, or if I carry my, I use it a lot for tissues, or you can put hand sanitizer in there, or kind of whatever you need really quick that'll fit in there. The other thing that I use is a charger, bank charger. You know, that's what they call the phone bank chargers. I have one that'll fit in there perfect. So it does have call-outs on the inside, and like I said, the price reflected it, and I was okay with it. I was trying to see if the liner comes out. No, this isn't one that the liner comes out. So here's on the inside. People, leave those kids alone. No, people, don't put your pins in a bag, a handbag, without putting it in a pouch first. Because that's what can happen. But that's what can happen. But now that's why I got it for $55. That's why I got it for $55. And here's the zip. And then here is the inside of it. And is the inside dirty? Not really. It's got a little bit of staining on the bottom. So it's got a little, you know, call outs, but it's not, doesn't smell bad. Maybe, you know, maybe it's because of this little thingy. I do not know, but I like it. And I really wanted it to, I mean, I don't have a cargo bag, but what do y'all think? What do you think? This, like, does it look like the Coach cargo that's now costing like a gazillion bucks right now is sold out? I thought it's the same vibe. It's the same vibe, and I'll put some pictures here of the Coach cargo bag that's popular right now. And I just thought it was like, hey, look, Dooney did it, so I love Dooney, and it's a great price. And Robin found a great bag for us, and I was able to snag it before anybody else was. Alrighty, Beanbeautis, thank you so much for being here. I am so glad that I got this bag. That's why I love CloverleafBags. I love all my resellers, but you know, we're talking about this bag today, that she definitely gave us a call out, and she tells us what's wrong with them. And you know, the outside of the bag was a great find for her. You know, it was a great condition. Just the inside was not was not taken care of by the other person. And it's not so much that they don't take care of. You're using your bag, you're like, I don't care. So I wonder, like, I'll be holding this here. This one I actually might do a separate what fits, because it's kind of a big bag, and I'm wondering it all fits, but it's heavy. It's heavy. So we'll see if Dee Bean ends up keeping this one. I know. I keep everything. But honestly, I'm trying to look at things differently. And I really wanted to see this. I just wanted to see this. I wanted to hold it. I wanted to come into my collection. I wanted to compare it. I wanted to say, I had that once. I love the logo on here. Love the logo. I want to definitely use it and see how heavy she is once I pack it up. But this is Pebble Leather, Dooney's Pebble Leather. The older Dooney's Pebble Leather is extremely heavy. The current one is too, but this one is extremely heavy. So yeah, did Dee listen that it was a pebble leather? I try to stay away from pebble leather because it is so heavy. But you know, I want to check it out. Alrighty, Bean Beauties, love y'all so much. Bye bye. So I'm going to give this a little bit of clean with, I think I've shown you these before. This is what I use, are leather wipes. They're not super wet product, but these you clean and you clean. There are three ways. They clean, condition, protect. So it says safe on all leathers. So I wanted to kind of get back here because right there it collects some dust. So I wanted to get in there and kind of clean that and take that off. Yeah, see, it's a little dirty. But she's aged. It's a beautiful bag. And yeah, Dooney's Pebble Leather is heavy. It's heavy. I try to stay away from that, but I just couldn't pass it up on this one, on this bag. And she's a little dry, so this will help. You know, you clean it up. And Robin usually does a cleaning on it, and it felt like it was, you know, clean, but you know, look clean. Just, you know, it never hurts always to. I always like to do that. Hadn't done it in a little while, like right off the bag, right out of the box. But I wanted to do that with this video. And I've showed y'all before where I get the wipies and I'll wipey them down as well. But in the bottom, they got feet. It's got feet. All right. So I just wanted to show y'all a little bit. And she's pretty. She's pretty. Alrighty. When your reseller sends you goodies, what do? You eat them. I like these. These are York peppermint patties. I don't ever buy them, but I like to eat them. So, thank you, CloverleafBags. Delicious. Thanks so much for sending me some goodies. Yeah, why don't I buy these? I don't know. Love y'all, Bean Beauties. Bye-bye.